Narito sa ngayon ang isa sa latest ng pahayag ng kanyang sekretary na si Claire Castro. Ayon rito sa kanya, konfirmado na isinugod umano sa hospital si President Bongbong Marcos. Narito sa ngayon ang pahayag ng kanyang sekretary na si Claire Castro. Panoorin po natin. Ako si Kudenter TV.
The President spent the night under medical observation as a precautionary measure after experiencing discomfort. His doctors advised rest and monitoring, and his condition remains stable. The President continued to carry out his responsibilities while under medical observation and has returned to Malacanang.